The HP22A and HP25A are small semi-automatic pocket pistols chambered in the 22 long rifle or 25 auto cartridge, respectively. They are blowback-operated pistols and come with 3-inch barrels. Optional 5-inch barrels are available. The frame is zinc alloy with a steel barrel and alloy slide. They are single-action pistols. The HP22 feeds from a single-stack 10-round magazine, and the HP25 feeds from a single-stack 9-round magazine. They have a unique slide-mounted firing pin block in addition to a regular manual safety. The pistol includes a magazine disconnect feature, which prevents the gun from firing without a magazine. The magazine cannot be removed without engaging the manual safety. The HP22A and HP25A have a shotgun-style ventilated rib along the top and feature a blade front sight with windage-adjustable notch-type rear sight. They are available in nickel or blued finish. The HP22 is designed for use with standard velocity 22 long rifle only. One of the weirdest safety issues that I've ever seen. Designed by George Jennings,